Hi guys, Chris here from USP Motorsports. Today we're going to be doing an install on my 2016 Golf R. This product is aggressive SKU number 7196. It is the carbon fiber mirror covers. This carbon fiber is really nice. It matches some of our other aggressive products we carry for the car, such as the front spoiler and also the rear spoiler, so go ahead and check them out. Now this install is fairly easy. I would say it's probably a 2 on a scale from 1 to 5, but there are some tips and tricks you need to know where you don't damage the car or damage these mirror covers as well. Once we get done with this install, you'll feel very comfortable to do this yourself. So some of the tools I'm going to go over what's needed on this install. We have SKU number 17635, which is the work tool pry tool kit. It is a 14-piece kit that comes with all kinds of different angles of a pry tool that you can pry an interior, door panels, wheels, you name it, and you don't scratch anything up. This kind of takes place of those screwdrivers we all have in our garage. They're wrapped up in tape. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. As well as the pry tool kit is needed a T10 Torx bit. This actually comes out of our Sonic S9 box. It's a great box for some of you guys out there doing work at your house. Check out Sonic Tools for more information on those. As well as we have some 3M not double-sided tape, actually 3M painter's tape. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on the side, 2 strips on the side of the car, just so we don't damage the paint. So let's go ahead over to the install and let's see what kind of tips and tricks you can learn from this video. All right, so now we're here over at the car, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the glass mirror. Now, as you can see here, I put 3 strips of not double-sided tape, blue painter's tape here, just because we're gonna let this mirror hang down against the car so it doesn't scratch it. So this removes pretty easy. Just go ahead and take your pry tool, put it in the back, and you'll hear a pop. Once you hear the first pop, you can go ahead and pull the rest out with your hand, let it hang by the 2 wires right against the blue tape. Now, this is gonna expose a couple things in here. You have the T10 Torx, one there, one there. We're gonna go ahead and remove those. And when you remove these, it makes it pretty easy to kind of remove this outside plastic cover, which is where the clips for the mirror cover hold on to. So it gives you a little bit of play and wiggle room. So I'm gonna grab the pry tool again. And if you can look in here and see, there's 2 clips that the factory mirror cover hold on. It's right here is one, and a second one, get my head out of the way, you can see is right there. So what you want to do is pry this down at the same time pulling back just a little bit, okay? And it should be able to rest down. And then get in here and pull this down. And then you would just take a reverse motion and hold the cover straight out. Once you do that, exposes the whole cover. As you can see, these clips here, they are pretty fragile. You can see they move pretty easy. These are the same exact clips that are on your aggressive mirror covers, so be easy when installing it because they're very easily broke. If they do break, of course, the mirror cover is no good. This is all that holds them on. So now I'm going to take the carbon mirror cover, which has the same exact OEM clips here, okay, and we're going to go start installing it. Now, one thing, I'm going to go ahead and pop this mirror here so I can get it on camera. Something important about this install here, if you look here, you'll see this strip here on the factory side piece here. So what I've seen before, and even myself almost doing, is if you're not paying attention, you don't realize that this has to be on the other side like that. If this is in that channel right there, and sometimes it's easy to do if the mirror is back this way, you don't realize it and it looks like it's straightforward. And if I went ahead and just pushed it in, what would happen is those plastic clips would be angled this way and they would hit the back of the this plastic cover and they would just snap off. As soon as those snap off, like I said, this is junk, you're gonna have to buy new ones. So to avoid that, make sure that this cover goes on the outside of that, okay, and then get it in position. Do not push in, okay? Let's get it in position, and then let's look here. If you have a flashlight, let's look in there and make sure that's lined up. And if you can see, if I'm looking in here, it's not even close to lined up. As you can see, it's hitting that wall. So if I went ahead and pushed it, it would snap. So you can see now the clips are getting somewhat lined up. See if I can get my head out of the way here. Okay, boom. Now you have your clip lined up there. Now you can go ahead and push in, okay? Now when you push in, sometimes you gotta take your pry tool and you have it in the right area. Just go ahead and pop this guy up there and make sure the other one is popped up as well. And that's it. The mirror cover is all installed. After that, go ahead and put your two T10s back in. Now keep in mind too, if you're doing this install, if you're familiar with the Dynablink makes for the Mark 7, that's a nice LED on the outside. It has like a Knight Rider look. You're only two T10s as well away from installing this, so it is a good package to do at the same time. So go ahead and put these two T10s back in. And I'll show you the quick little trick how to pop the mirror back in. And the install is all done. Okay, once you have that in. Now to pop this mirror cover back in, you have 4 little channels here. Those line up with these right here. So all you gotta do is get one lined up and just give it one hard push in. Make sure it's all clicked in. And of course, once you get in the car, you're gonna have to readjust your mirror, obviously. So that's it. That's it. You're done with the install. Thanks for watching our installation video on our Mark 7 carbon fiber mirror covers. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment below at our YouTube channel. You can always contact us via chat live on usbmotorsports.com or support at USB Motorsports as well. And please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch some more educational videos like this one.